In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the ClickFunnels badge from your funnel. This is a simple process that helps you present your brand more professionally by eliminating external branding. So let's dive right in and get started with the steps. First, you need to access the funnel editor. Begin by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, where all your funnels are conveniently listed. Take a moment to locate the specific funnel you intend to modify. When you've found it, go ahead and select it to open up your funnel's details. Now that you're in the detailed view of your funnel, it's time to focus on editing the specific funnel step where the badge is displayed. Look for the gear icon, often represented as a small cog symbol, next to the funnel step that you want to edit. Clicking on this icon will take you into the editor mode for that particular step. This is where you can make all the necessary customizations to refine and enhance your funnel's presentation. Moving right along, let's address the ClickFunnels badge itself. This is typically located under the section aptly named Powered by ClickFunnels Badge. Here, you will find an option to control the display of their branding badge. By default, this badge might be set to display, but if you want a cleaner, more professional look for your funnel, you'll want to set it to hide. Simply switch the setting, ensuring that it reflects your preference for a badge-free design. Once you've made this change, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically found towards the top or bottom of your editing screen. Clicking Save is the key step to ensuring that the adjustments you've made to remove the badge are reflected in your live funnel. After saving, you can relax knowing that your funnel now presents itself without the ClickFunnels branding, offering a seamless and professional user experience for your audience. There you have it. Removing the ClickFunnels badge is a straightforward process that enhances the professionalism of your funnels. This small change can significantly impact how your audience perceives your brand by focusing solely on your messaging without external distractions. If you decide to revisit this or make additional changes, simply follow these steps again to ensure everything is set to your liking. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to present your funnels exactly how you envision them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.